In 2026, trucking businesses rely on a strong truck insurance policy to stay compliant, competitive, and financially secure. As regulations evolve and operational risks increase, insurance decisions directly affect contracts, cash flow, and daily operations. A truck insurance policy typically covers third-party liability, vehicle damage, and cargo-related risks. However, coverage varies based on fleet size, routes, cargo type, and operating radius. Because no two trucking operations are identical, businesses must align coverage with real exposure rather than minimum requirements. Choosing the right truck insurance policy also means meeting federal and state regulations while staying contract ready. Shippers and brokers often require specific limits, so proactive policy reviews help trucking companies stay flexible and avoid costly delays. Today, trucking businesses secure coverage faster using instant online quotes, instant online binding, and instant online insurance proposals. These tools reduce downtime, activate coverage quickly, and help businesses make confident decisions without unnecessary delays. By reviewing coverage regularly and using digital solutions, trucking companies protect operations, manage risk effectively, and move into 2026 with confidence.